This is lesson plan number 2. In this lesson plan, we will summarize data by computing numbers such as average and standard deviation. That will describe the data we call descriptive measures. One of descriptive measures is measures of center. Measures of center are also called measures of central tendency. Measures of center are some of the most important descriptive statistics. Measures of center are numbers that describe the center or most typical value of a data set. Mean, median, and mode are three common measures of center. The mean is the most common measure of center. It is what most people think of when they hear the word average. However, the mean is affected by extreme value, so it may not be the best measure of center to use in a skewed distribution. Procedure for finding the mean. Add all the data value together. Second step, divide by the sample size. A property of the mean. First property, the mean always exists. Second, the mean does not have to be one of the data values. The third property is the mean use all the data values. The number 4 property is the mean is affected by extreme value. Median is the value in the center of the data. Half of the values are less than the median and half of the values are more than the median. It's probably the best measure of center to use in a skewed distribution. Mode is the most frequent value. If no values appear more than any other, then there is no mode. If 2 or more values appear more than the other, then the data is bimodal or multimodal. Example, 30 is the median for this data set. 32 is the mode for this data set. Next example. To find the mean of the set of the number, we add up all the number and then divide it by the number of the numbers. The median is the middle value in the list of the number. To find the median, your number had to be list in numerical order so that you may have solved the list first. For example, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. 5 is the median. Second example, even number value. So 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 10. We get two numbers, 5 and 7, in the middle. So the median will be take the average of the two mean, 5 plus 7 divided by 2. Mode is the value that occurs most often. If no number is repeated, then there is no mode for the list. For this example, 13 is the mode of the data set.